Understanding baking textures in 3D modeling. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of 3D modeling and animation. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and importance of baking textures. Whether you're an aspiring digital artist, a game developer, or just curious about how 3D models come to life, this video is for you. Let's get started. Texture baking is a crucial process in 3D modeling and animation. It involves transferring details from high-polygon models to low-polygon ones. This technique allows the low-polygon model to appear highly detailed without the computational strain of a high-polygon model. Think of it like making a detailed stamp of a sculpture, so you can recreate its details on a simpler form. Why do we bake textures? The primary reason is performance optimization. By baking textures, we reduce the strain on graphics processors, which is essential in video games and real-time applications. It also helps in uniform lighting and shadow effects, ensuring that the model looks realistic under different lighting conditions. Baking textures is a multi-step process. It starts with creating a high-polygon model with detailed textures. Then, a corresponding low-polygon model is made. The next step is UV unwrapping, where the surface of the 3D model is laid out flat. Finally, the details from the high-polygon model are baked onto the texture map of the low-polygon model. Texture baking is not just limited to gaming. It's widely used in film animation, architectural visualization, and virtual reality. The technique allows creators to produce detailed and realistic environments and characters without compromising on performance. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing process of baking textures in 3D modeling. Understanding this concept is a big step towards appreciating the work that goes into our favorite games and animations. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.